This is one of the cheapest dining experiences.
And this is the most expensive dining experience in the world. I tested every types of restaurants to see if a higher price equals a higher experience. Starting at the souk. It is one of the best places and cheapest places to find food, and the reviews are pretty promising. Abelti says fresh snacks everywhere, prices are cheap and portions are fair. Mimidi says good local flavors, but cleanliness depend on the store. You have to choose carefully. Kalkidan S says best place for quick snacks, very authentic market and experience. Let's see if the food keep up with the reviews. يسرب ነገር ምን አለ يسرب ነገር ይበላ ማስቲካ ነገር አለ ማስቲካም የለም ምንም ወለ አራፋሰር ወይ ባይ ኑሮ ተወደደ When I had gone to this other store, it is not open. And for the second time, being guarded by a dog, have been raining all day. We have searched for souks so far. Four of them didn't have anything for us. Biscuit ale? Biscuit ale? Ara frame. Yon. Friend, this is friend, so we need food, somebody to eat with together, so we bring him right here. Review.
Come, you will review.
Review. Our review is getting very.
How much out of 10? 2. 2 is less. A lot of friends are.
You got only one,
How
I
much?
said do. What about for you? 7. Some clouds because the food is not good. We'll go to Jannat. Our next restaurant is Ertabet. It isn't technically a restaurant. It is a street food, and I know it. Tasfai M says very affordable but basic. Mainly bread with fillings. Good if you want a quick snack, but hygiene isn't great. Hannah A says classic Ertab taste, simple and tasty for cheap bite, but seating is limited and it gets crowded. Jonas K says fast and fills you up, better than roadside alternative and good student food.
يا 5 chips منور يا 5 chips صار يا 5 يا 4 الشهر بس
بزن
عند رجال كلك انت عندي دا بيتفو سوري يا 5 سنتين
سايكل
ስማ ኪስ ሳምቡሳን ጨምርበት ሳምቡሳ እርጥብ የለም እዚህ አሁን አይኖርም
ከዚህ በኋላ
እዛ ሊኖር ጋዝ ምን ይርቃል አይኖርም ላይ ካልኖርስ በቃ
እሺ በቃ እዚህ
አንድ ሳምቡሳ ما for food.
We are going to eat. Cheers. Hey.
ፌስታል ከሱቅ ይሰጣል። እስቲ ጠይቅ አንድ ጊዜ አለ
ጀት አግኝታ
ቅድሙ ነው እንጂ የችሱ
ምን ላድርግላችሁ? ዳጣ
አዎ ዳጣኝ
ሚጥሚጣ የለም አልቆብኛል።
በጣም እናመሰግናለን።
ችግር የለውም። እኔ ልጆች አሉኝ። እሺ
ለዛ ነው እኮ በጣም በቃ ተንከባከብሽ ነው።
አላለቀም ማለት ነው። ገባል። እንዴት ትይዛላችሁ?
በቃ እንደዚህ በጣም እናመሰግናለን።
አሁን የሮቱን ካሌጅ ማለት
Yes. The dog wanted food but there is none. W dog.
Mohammed.
The fact that I have today met two of my friends that I haven't seen since last year is just crazy. And that's the beauty of YouTube. Pickles Burger. This is the most expensive restaurant in the 3 mile range that I have searched. And this place is no joke. The best rated so far. Daniel H says, very juicy burger with great flavor. The pickles really make it stand out from the other burger places. Sarah M says, good quality burgers and nice atmosphere. A bit pricey but worth it for the taste. Elias T says, burger is tasty, but service can be slow during busy hours. We finally found the restaurant. ሁለት ትሪፕል ማይነስ ሳይቀባ ማለት ነው። While we wait until the food comes, I want to tell you something. We're trying to hit 100,000 subs by the end of this year, and this video is pretty expensive, so you could help out by subscribing to us. Thank you for the journey, and I'll see you next year. Let's go. What? The flavor is so beautiful. Like, what? The food is gas. Then I tried the burger and it was fantastic. After trying it, I approve that it is Coca-Colastic. Absolutely smashed that burger. If this video gets 100,000 likes, I will do whatever the top comment is.